Hey there, everyone. That sexy nerd is back again, and we're watching a first viewing for Nostalgia Critics Kraven the Hunter. Now, I know I'm a little late on this again. I had a little bit of stuff to do, and it's, the holidays and whatever. Happy Easter, everyone. And I haven't been able to watch anything, so I'm going to try and play a massive game of catch up and try and get as many videos out as I possibly can, probably involving Casual Geographic if you guys are interested. Hopefully you guys are. And I'm kind of interested as to how a certain scene will play out in their first viewing. I mean, what the hell were they thinking? Like, seriously, something is wrong with the people who direct these movies. And again, he said that these things were over. I did not hear a damn thing. And actually, a subscriber actually pointed that out. They actually said, like, he might, they're still going to continue these movies. And I mean, I wanted to pretend like, maybe that wasn't true, but I'd actually made a short about that myself because I had found out that they had decided to keep on with these damn movies. And I mean, I kind of see it though, because they are still gaining some sort of life, at least when they're released, for like critics like Nostalgia Critic and so forth and so on. There's some of his funniest videos if you haven't noticed. I still haven't seen the Morbius review. So I don't know what to say about that. And yeah, but like Madam Web is you guys still apparently love my reaction to that one. And what else? He needs to do the third Venom. He needs to do the Venom sequels. Why? I don't know why he's taking so damn long on those, but I guess he doesn't see them as anything worth really his time. And I get it, but I like him. I enjoy the movies, and I wish he would do it. So maybe he'll eventually do something like that. But anyway, not much still to say, so why don't we just get into the video? And remember, please, smash that like button if you want to see more sexy and nerdy content, and subscribe if you think I deserve it. And remember, sign up for my Patreon for all my latest reactions to all my latest videos. And let's do this thing, y'all. Finally.
Aren't we done with these yet?
Doug, is it you? It's been so long.
We got Madam Web here.
Yeah, right?
Madam
Web.
He just got LASIK, so he's still got to wear those for a little bit.
That's
No
why I look
way.
like the lamest character out of the Matrix.
Well, and I like that because Neo and one are anagrams, so with you would be Boar. I like that. Anyway, we're doing something we haven't done in a while. A first viewing that's actually a first viewing. We have not seen this movie.
You gotta keep
Big
doing
shocker,
these.
and neither of us
I love
were.
them.
Exactly.
I don't think anybody did.
I don't think so either.
They are now, though. Apparently it's number 3 on Netflix. I just read that this morning.
Well, so
yeah.
I'm hoping, because it was such a theatrical disaster, and so was Madam Web, and so was Morbius, and to some extent the last
Well, Madam
Venom
Web
movie.
was like a masterpiece of a disaster.
Yeah, but this is our first viewing of sure to be Timeless Masterpiece. Great.
Timeless. Absolutely.
They should just change their logo to Sorry.
What the f-
Hunt for Red October?
Yeah.
Okay. Not a bad start. I love that music. Can I just hear the
Never
soundtrack
seen
to
that
Hunt for
movie.
Red October and now watch this movie? I'm okay with that.
Honestly, can we just watch that movie?
Yeah.
That movie's amazing.
I need to see it.
I always love that profile term when somebody goes like that.
Это частная зона.
He's still gonna do that. Yeah, exactly.
All right, maybe some of them are going home.
Wait a minute!
Wait, did we miss?
Now it's a snowstorm? What? Oh, what a day! What a snowy day!
What a lovely
Now we're
snowy
at
day.
Happy Feet. What is this?
Okay, there was
Happy Feet have better than that.
What?
Editor, scene's missing.
He could just smell the plane. He just knew there's a plane in there.
Nice.
Lamest title reveal ever.
I'm strangely always happy when they dig Russell Crowe out of mothballs and throw him on screen.
Go Exley. That's my favorite. I mean, he can act very well, but my favorite is when they're like, just go Exley.
There is great danger in that card. I have something for you, Calypso. I was going to wait until you were older.
It sounds like they just told this actress, just make it sound important. You're saying complete gibberish, so just say everything really slow. Very massive.
I'm always sick of the Thundercats outtake or in the middle of like all of this.
What the hell am I saying?
Hell am I saying?
I like his bag just went right in that guy's face. I'll say that there's a touch more color in this than I thought there would be.
It's a little hard for me to tell.
No, fair point.
He carries
Ray Charles over here.
his father's wonder.
His father. Oh my god. Oh, can he be Kraven?
To be fair, he sounds like a legit Russian after drinking an entire gas tank's worth of vodka. God, this looks
That
worse
is-
than the Lion King.
Man.
Jesus.
Wow. Awful. Oh my god.
It doesn't even look like a lion. It looks like a bear.
Calypso? Calypso?
Calypso's already a strange name, but man, they're not making it sound any more normal.
It's like naming your kid Zeus and then wondering why he's an abusive sex addict. So the lion's
Blood got into his blood? Is that what the
What?
backstory's gonna be?
No.
Oh, I hope so.
Yeah.
No, honey, that's stupid.
That's just too much science. Oh, and here's the magic juice I gave him. Thanks.
You are one very lucky boy.
Of course
I'm
it
a
is.
Kraven. No, I'm not.
Father is the only animal that is dreaded.
You're getting too good at that.
Dare I say, a chameleon.
Oh, so you
Security does they
knew.
have around
I had
the
no
place?
idea.
Brother knew he was
Totally
leaving.
forgot.
It just stood there knowing he was gonna come that direction.
I mean, you could go with him.
Come on, chameleon. I'm ashamed of that too.
You on the run? Yes.
I'm ashamed for you.
That's how it works.
I hope you have like $1,000 on it, right?
I know, seriously. Like, what?
Great.
Oh,
This
God.
sounds amazing.
Oh, God.
Now we're actually in the video game. These are the scenes that were missing from the video game. This strikes
The
me
video
as a
game would look
movie
better than
in
this.
terms of how it looks. And like-
Really? As a movie?
I was amazed to say that too. It sounded weird leaving my mouth. But this strikes me as a movie that, with the color correction, I'm looking at now saying, all right, it's kind of vibrant and everything, but in like 5 years, I'm going to look back and be like, this looks awful. Like, I can see so much more like the obvious filters and everything.
Again.
Of course, my mother was the lion.
No, stop.
You know, remember in Spider-Man, for the problems it has, when he gets the powers, he's like, wow, can I do this? Wow, and there's a sense of, like, wonder to it
doesn't
and
go,
stuff.
wow.
And this is like, I can climb trees, whatever. He just looks like, yeah, no, it makes sense I have these powers.
I just always love waiting for a door to open, going,
I'm sorry about your friend.
Shit.
I didn't mean to scare you.
You did.
Your editing didn't even show you come here. I mean, what?
I grew up watching my father put evil into the world.
wait, what accent was that for like 3 seconds?
Yeah, he's going in and out of
What
accents
evil
here.
in the world.
I was in the DA's office in New York for 7 years until I couldn't take it anymore.
This is like a really boring first date.
I was gonna say, like, you know how some people
like
meet and it's
zero
like
chemistry,
instant
yeah.
chemistry? This is the opposite. Like, chemistry is just kicked to the side from both of them. Like, chemistry wants to come
Yeah.
out, and both sides are, whoa, no, hey, no, don't go anywhere near that.
Rubber and glue.
They're saying it was the hunter.
Faster than a cheetah, cunning as a fox.
This is how the movie was pitched. In fact, this was the guy who pitched it. He just
Yeah.
put himself in the movie, came in exactly dressed like this.
Jump,
So he's like,
Billy!
I don't know, he looks like a dork. He must know what he's talking about with this comic book shit. Oh, like, he's the Rhino?
Yes.
Is this his condition? When he's not hooked up, he turns into a rhinoceros? Oh,
that's
I was just kidding.
That's
Is
so
that really
ridiculous.
what
Yeah,
this
now
is?
that's, yeah, I didn't even put it together. So I guess we're not gonna see him in, okay.
No, they're building it up. They're building up the stupid for later. It'll be more disappointing if they build it up.
Yes.
Who is?
Sounds good.
The rhino sends his regards.
Ridiculous. What is?
Who is? The rhino sends his regards.
Terrible ADR.
Even by Madam Web standards, that was like, whoa.
Wow.
That was like, what, 2 seconds?
Hit me! Fight me!
This is just Russell Crowe on any day after having a few.
He's a tough old bear.
No. Go back to the.
I'm sorry. Rewind it.
Yeah, no. I need to
just want to
rewind
make
it.
sure I saw that.
Yeah.
Nikolai!
Nikolai!
What just happened?
That
What
can't be.
was that?
That can't be the original.
We're an odd.
Yes, it has
I
to
just
be.
don't know what this world is.
Fuck.
Over what I just saw. I don't have anything to top that. There's been some weird shit in this.
Oh.
That's a good shot. You see hints of in this. People who worked on this wanted another job after this. We'll give them that. That's how most people were after they saw this movie. They just saw a patch of grass, just lie down and just stared at the sky.
It's bulletproof, idiot!
But not Kraven proof.
Look what they did to him.
Don't throw the finger away. I'm putting it in my trophy room.
Go put in the lion's mouth.
Really? Really?
Go.
Tom and
Say.
Jerry. Tom and Jerry.
Try movie. What are you doing? I can't believe it.
It's a Tom and Jerry routine.
Oh my.
I'm over there.
I'm over there.
Oh my god. Holy shit.
All these incredible things they learned. The eye of the tiger, the lion's blood, all this stuff. They just, whoop, oh, that's it.
God, that was some laughing gas shit. That was like nitrous oxide. I was just like, it's like huffing it at the dentist. I could not stop.
You're like the reporter from Batman '89.
Yeah, no, that's what it's like.
We've got Kraven. I don't know about that.
Wow, he really took a while to turn around there. And I don't know about that, like quick reflexes.
Professor Miles Warren. Developing a procedure
Miles
to
Warren.
increase strength.
You know, isn't everything's supposed to increase strength, but there's a side effect. It turns you into a bee. Like something stupid like that. It's very impressive how bad that effect is. Oh my God.
Kitty cat.
Oh, it looks so awful. No, that's really there. They really trained an animal to do that. It looks just so real. I mean, that thing looks like it could host a Saturday morning cartoon. That is just so ridiculous.
Yeah.
My mentor was one
Video
of the
game.
greatest assassins who ever lived. He was murdered.
Kraven.
Show, don't tell.
Yeah, okay. Man. Even the telling you're not doing very well.
1, 2.
Wasn't that just such an interesting side story about this guy that had this power and this other person? It was like a brother to him and he wanted to get revenge on Kraven. Then he was out and you could just cut him from the movie and not miss a damn thing.
Yeah.
I thought that was really engaging.
What the guy leaves no impression. Yeah.
I keep taking my glasses down to see if it's as bad as it looked without.
Your eyes are not deceiving you. It is this awful. You know what this scene needs? A Hans Zimmer score going, this movie sucks. This movie sucks. Sucks. It's just hitting
Sucks.
me.
Sucks.
That was it.
Just felt like I saw nothing.
That felt like middle kind of fight scene in
Yeah.
a much better Marvel movie.
Oh my God. Oh well.
God, that is a Care Bear. You are
Yeah.
That's as good ADR as every other line in this.
Jeez.
Hey.
That's pretty good though. I had no idea.
chameleon.
Is this scene still going? I kind of thought he would walk off and that'd be it.
The movie manages to cut so much out and also overstay its welcome.
Yeah.
It's impressive.
We are hunters, the greatest the world has ever known.
Didn't you hate him a second ago? So why would you want to wear that? Oh my God, awful.
I know.
Awful. Sometimes it was colorful, sometimes there was a neat little scene, but oh brother, just another one
I
of
stand
those
by my
lame-
statement. Disney has to wake up every morning and be like, thank God for Sony. Like, you think we'll put out the worst thing this year? Like, on a pop culture level. There
Yeah.
are worse movies, obviously. But, like, no. Like, Sony here is just like, oh, no, we could be more incompetent.
Just more of the same in terms of the same mistakes and everything.
The cinematography and on some certain cool levels, like, there's a couple cool scenes.
Yeah.
It's better than Madam Web, but for sheer entertainment value,
Madam Web's more fun.
Madam Web was more fun to watch. And that scene was
Seems like
just-
it.
Turn.
Oh,
Just get you going again.
Oh God.
Hopefully this will be the end of them, but we'll see. Maybe there's even more.
There's even more.
Yeah, so I guess we'll find out. So yeah, thank you all so much, and we'll see you next time. Take care.
Yeah.
yeah.
I love that little scene where he just what is it? Just sneaking up on the. It's adorable. It's adorable. But yeah, I love that. It was pretty funny. I hope they keep doing this, honestly, because I feel like we all miss these things, and I feel like a lot of the movies should have deserved these first viewings, regardless of the fact if they've watched them or not. So let them know if they should do more first viewings, and please smash that like button if you want to see more sexy and nerdy content, and subscribe if you think I deserve it. And remember, sign up for my Patreon for all my latest reactions to all my latest videos. And I'll see y'all in the next episode.